and today I'm making you pasta Amatriciana. So for today, the ingredients are pecorino cheese. Any type of long pasta really works. Crushed tomatoes, chili flakes, sea salt, and black pepper. This is also guanciale. Guanciale is basically bacon, except the difference is that it comes from the cheek. And this is the pan that we use for the guanciale and the crushed tomatoes. And this is the salt oil that we're going to use for the pasta. The thing about guanciale is that it has to be cut evenly or else it doesn't cook evenly. First you gotta cut it in little strips this way. You have to cut it into perfect little squares so that it cooks evenly. See? This one's perfect. Pro tip, when you're cutting guanciale, if you make this dish at home, it's good to put it in the freezer first so that it can get a little hard so that it's easier to dice. Now it's time to add our guanciale. Remember, the pan has to be cold or else it'll fry like bacon. Even though bacon is very good, it's not what you want with this dish. Remember, now you cook the guanciale. Remember, put it on a low heat so that it doesn't sizzle a lot. Now you have to spread it out so it cooks evenly. When you're cooking guanciale, it usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. So what I like to do while I'm cooking is to dance. Americano. The little secret ingredient that we like to use, that they use in Rome for this dish, is a little bit of dried white wine. Trust me, it's kid allowed. You're allowed to have this as a kid. The alcohol in the wine just sizzles off while the guanciale is cooking. Now it's time to add it. Now it's time to strain out the guanciale from the white wine. First, we have to do it like this, and then put it on the plate. And we keep doing this until all the guanciale is out of the pan. Now that we've removed the guanciale from the pan, we're going to put the crushed tomatoes in the pan that the guanciale was in to give it a little bit of flavor. So now it's time to add the spices to the tomato sauce to give it a little more pizzazz. We're going to add a tiny little bit of chili flakes, since I don't like it too spicy. Now we're going to add a little bit of black pepper and a little bit less amount of salt, because the guanciale has a lot of salt in it. It's been 15 minutes and the pasta sauce is a little reduced, so that means it's the perfect time to start our pasta. Put a little bit of salt in, just for a little bit more taste. Now it's time to add the pasta. I gotta shake it up a little bit so that it's not all stuck together. Now, time to put it in. Now it's time to start. You gotta make sure that all of that pasta is not stuck together, so it won't taste good. Now that the pasta is almost ready, it's a perfect time to put the guanciale back into the pan. I like to have my pasta al dente, which means to the tooth in Italian. Delish. Pro tip, you don't ever want to rinse your pasta. If it has a little bit of pasta water still in it, it gives more flavor to the sauce and it makes a yummy bite. Yum. Now it's time to dump the pasta. Yummy. Now we have to add the cheese. Pecorino Romano. Now, to finish off the dish, we're going to add a little bit of guanciale at the top. And now, we add a little tiny sprinkle of Pecorino Romano just to finish off the dish. Now, it's time to eat. Mangia! That means eat in Italian. Come back next week to see us make homemade pizza. Now, the best part, eating! Perfecto!